Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the site identity in WordPress Blocksy Elementor. Okay, so let's start off on our home page, or literally any other page. We'll have this top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Elementor, and that's going to take us to Elementor to edit our settings. Alright, once we're here, let's go ahead and head over to our left-hand sidebar. There's this button over here called Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up our settings sidebar over here. And scroll down under Site Identity. Click on that. And now we can change our website. So website assets. Let's change our description. Let's learn together. Okay, now we can change our site logo. Let's choose one of our own. Okay. And then we can change our little site icon to be this one. And then let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. Okay, with that saved, let's go ahead and view our site over here. And we'll see that we have our little icon over here, our page title, and our tagline. And those have changed. However, you can see that this one is still the default one. So let's go ahead and figure out how to do that. Let's click on Customize. Okay. Now this will take us to the default customizer, and let's click on header and click on logo, and now we can change the logo from here. We can complete or remove it, okay, and it's going to be blank, or again we can select what we chose earlier, and that is our logo, and then we can change how big it is. Okay, I'll click on publish. Okay, with that done, let's go ahead and visit our homepage again. And there you go. We have our header logo changed as well, besides our site identity tags up top over here. So there's how you change your site identity in WordPress Blocksy and Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.